What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mike Macklin, aka Money Mike, the financial Thanos, because I'm snapping my fingers and I'm turning your financial problems to dust. Today we're talking about understanding common tax forms. Now this can be a real lifesaver during tax season. Let's dive into a few of the most common ones, and if you find this video helpful, hit that like button for me and consider subscribing to the channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you know when I'm dropping new content. Well, without any further ado, if you ready to get going, I'm definitely ready. Let's get into it.
On the night I was born, the rain was pouring, God was crying, lightning struck, power outage, sparks was flying, the real one's here.
First up, we have the W-2 form. This form is like a snapshot of your earnings and taxes withheld throughout the year. Your employer sends it to you and it's crucial for filing your income tax return. It shows how much you earned and how much tax was taken out of your paycheck. Next, we have the 1099 form. This one is for folks who work as freelancers or independent contractors. If you receive income from clients or other sources that aren't traditional employers, you'll likely get a 1099 form. It reports the income you earned and you'll need it for tax purposes. Now let's talk about the 1040 form. This is the big daddy of tax forms for individuals. It's like the main hub where you report your income, deductions, and credits. Depending on your situation, you might need to fill out additional schedules and forms that go along with the 1040. These are just a few examples of common tax forms, but there are others out there depending on your circumstances. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional to make sure you're filling out the right forms correctly. Well, folks, that's my time for today. I appreciate you tuning in. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. Now, if you want to learn about some of the common mistakes to avoid when filing your taxes, you should check out the video here. Well, that's all for now. And as always, I love you. God loves you. He smiles when he sees you, and he sees you all the time, so he's always smiling. So why aren't we? Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless you all. Gone.